Hello everyone, this is Saurabh Moria and welcome to our channel Linguality Capital. Dear friends, in this lecture we have a discussion on one of the important term of historical linguistics, that is borrowing. Okay, so in this lecture I would like to discuss the borrowing in a very easiest way. What is borrowing? Suppose that we have the two language A and language B. This is known to be the donor, D for donor, and this one is known to be the receptor. Receptor in the sense recipient language, and this is known to be the donor language. Okay. What does the borrowing state? Borrowing states that one language, one language to take the words from the another language and make the part make them the part of its own vocabulary. This is known to be the borrowing. This is also known as the loan words. Loan words. And the process that involved in this case is known to be the linguistic borrowing. Okay. So here we can see that borrowing means that one language to take the words from the another language and make them the part of its own vocabulary. This is known to be the borrowing or the loan words, and the process that involved in this case is known to be the linguistic borrowing. So here we can see that borrowing means not only the lexical item that taken from the one language, but also within the lexical items we have some linguistics materials also that involved in this case. What can be the linguistic materials? That can be the sounds, that can be the phonological rules, that can also be the grammatical morphemes. There can also be the syntactic patterns, and also there can be the semantic associations. Okay. So here means we can say that the language which borrowed from is known to be the donor, and the language which is borrowed, that is known to be the receptor or the recipient language. Okay. So when do I talk about the loan word? Loan word means simply we can say that with the name, just we can understand that what is the loan word. Loan word means that a lexical item that is borrowed from the another language. Okay. Suppose that there is any lexical item B. If this is borrowed from the language A, then this is known to be the loan word. Here we will be add B plus A. This is known to be the loan word. Okay. It also we can say that a word which originally was not a part of the vocabulary means that a is not originally the part of the this language, but it was adopted from the some other language and made the part of its own vocabulary. Okay. So this was all about the loan word and the borrowing. We have the some examples, like if I say example Jewish, Jewish, everybody knows. I mean, they take the Jewish in especially in the summer vacations. Jewish is a English word. Jewish is the English word, but this is borrowed from the French word. This is borrowed from the French word Jewish. Okay, Jewish means that it is the sauce. It is a kind of a sauce or juice of the plant or animals. Okay. Also, we have some more examples of the loan words or the we can say the borrowing. Like we have the potato. We have one more example, that is potato. Potato is derived from the Caribbean language of Hayati. Okay, potato is derived from the Caribbean language of Hayati. Okay, that is known as the patata, P-A-T-A, patata, and this was originally borrowed through the Spanish batata. It was originally borrowed from the Spanish Spanish batata. Okay. In the same way, we also have the sugar. In the same way, we also have the tomato. So, in the simple way, we just can understand that when one language to take the words from the another language and make them the part of its own vocabulary is known to be the borrowing. Either that is on the basis of the that is on a lexical level or the semantic level. Okay, so this was all about the borrowing. Okay, thank you for watching this video. Thank you so much.